Hey, what's up? Refinance coin holder, my brother. Refinance is completely on the trending, and definitely I have something very special news and updates about refinance, my brother, for all my viewers, my subscriber. So kindly you must watch this video completely to understand better now. But remember, my brothers, in those days every cryptocurrencies were fails down very badly. So therefore, I think refinance will also fails down. Let's see, my brothers, to what's going on. But definitely you need, my brothers, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more step urgent and updates videos now. Let's see, my brother. This time you can see here the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this time 30.9% profit they will take just in only in last 7 days, my brother. And you can see, my friend, the highest change occur in the prices. You can see here 0.02314 USD dollar, and this time you can see here the current price is 0. I think 0.0 sorry 0.020486 USD dollar. So that's meanwhile the price is very cheap now. So if you have any plan to invest more and refinance, I think this is one of the good time of those. Kindly don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. I will give you guarantee to at the end of month just and only they will give you a very good profit. Remember, my brothers, to at the end, especially last 10 days of every month, my brother, every coin will moving upward now. So therefore, all my friend, I share my personal experience. Kindly, my brothers, do this. I will give you guarantee to you will get a profits now. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. See you next time. Holder, please like video and subscribe this channel.